Lesson 5 is on dividing scientific notation. So for our first example, a hardware factory produces 3.6 times 10 to the 5th bolts in 2,400 minutes. What is the factory's rate of production in bolts per minute? So the question tells us exactly what to divide. Bolts per minute. So bolts divided by minutes. So we already have the 3.6 times 10 to the 5th for the bolts. And we have to divide that by 2,400. Well, if we put that in scientific notation, it would be 2.4 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3 to the third. So then we can divide the numbers out front. So 3.6 divided by 2.4 is 1.5. And then we have times 10. And with division, the rule is to subtract our exponents. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And then if we take that and move the decimal over twice, we have 150. And that would be bolts per minute. And for our second question, a company spends a total of $64,500,000 on salaries for its workers. If the company has 1.5 times 10 to the third workers, what is the average salary per worker? So in our question, there it is, average salary per worker. So we're going to take that money and divide it by how many workers are there. So that 64,500,000 would be 6.45 times 10 to the 367. We're going to divide that by 1.5 times 10 to the third. So we're going to divide these numbers out front. Is 4.3. And then we have our times 10. And we're going to subtract the exponents. 7 minus 3 would be 4. And if we take that decimal and we move it over 4 places, we would have, that's 1 place, 2 places, 3 places, 4 places. So the average salary per worker is $43,000.